Yo, what's up guys, it's Paco back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over my Kakobuy spreadsheet. I'm going to show you guys how to find items and exactly what it means when you click an item, like this for example. It's a Hocus Pocus vet zip up. As soon as you click it on Kakobuy, it's going to come up blurry. This is something that happens with some sellers so they do not get caught. So they don't put any picture of the product. The only way you could find it is from their UPO, which looks kind of like this, where you could find all the items and they put full pictures. But when it comes to their Weedan or Taobao links, it's all blanked out so you cannot see it whatsoever. If you look throughout my spreadsheet, I have pictures of everything and I try to highlight what the items are. For example, I put pictures on the side like line 27 of this tribal bomber so you guys could kind of see what it looks like. If you guys like Balenciaga, Chrome Hearts, ERD, Louis Vuitton, you know, the good designers that people are wearing nowadays, not Jordans, which I do have some of that too. But if you guys are looking for more high quality clothing, my spreadsheet is definitely what you're going to be looking at. If you see I have a ton of cool stuff here, good quality Chrome Hearts, patch jeans, ERD, nosebleed belts. Like, I have all of these cool things in my spreadsheet. A lot of people don't have stuff like this, but I do. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use it though. For example, you guys see this is a budget ERD green logo hoodie. I'm going to click the link right here in my spreadsheet. The only way you use it is like you're buying on PandaBuy. I don't know if you guys remembered that, but I made videos there and we're going to see. This is from Martin. He's a pretty trusted seller. I actually bought this exact hoodie from him. It was like a 9 out of 10. Tags were wrong, but it was still nice. To order it, all you do is click the color you want. For size reference, if you guys want to join my Discord, ask me questions. I'll tell you guys exactly how the clothes run. If they're true to size, if they're undersized, if they're oversized. I'll let you guys know. Just text me on my Discord. My name is Paco on there. For sizing on this, I would go with a size large because it fits around like a large XL. It's a little bit oversized. So to buy, you just agree right here. You click buy now. You're going to confirm here and then you're pretty much going to submit whenever you're ready. I'm going to prove to you guys that this stuff actually comes. For example, this is how that link looks. It's blanked out. Here's my warehouse right here and I have this exact hoodie in my warehouse. If you see right here, Martin 2, that was a seller from before, and here is the QC pictures. Here it is right here. It comes with the ERD tag. Looks good. The font is a little small, but again, you're paying less than 30 bucks for this hoodie. It's a good quality hoodie. The color's on point, distressing is on point, paint is on point, everything about it looks good. And yeah, you might get a little bit scared, especially if this is your first time buying, if you see it blanked out, but it's as easy as that. They put all these pictures. You could also buy more pictures to see more quality, or you could just wait till it comes in. And you do not have to worry about getting scammed on this because with Kakobuy, all your orders are protected. If they do not come in, you get all your money back. No hassle. If you guys are wondering how to save money on this too, I have about $400 in coupons. Whenever you click the link in my bio, I have this Kakobuy sign up. As soon as you click that, you're going to sign up and here's my coupon code right here. As soon as you put this in, you're going to save $400 and then you also get additional coupons from Kakobuy. So your first order, you're going to be saving a lot of money. And if you're looking for a more in-detailed way on how to buy items on Kakobuy, click this link right here. This is the direct link to my spreadsheet and here it is to my Discord. I don't know why I made it this name. I just thought it was funny. Kako spread. It's for the link. But as you can see here, most of these pictures I bought are all blanked out, especially Micro Martin. Some of them though, they do have pictures of the items like this. You can see in my spreadsheet, I do have stuff like this and you could kind of tell what it is. But this right here is the exact way I use spreadsheets. You could scroll through all these right here. I guarantee you I have one of the best quality spreadsheets. I have good silver chrome, good vet hoodies, good ERD, good chrome, good Balenciaga. All the stuff you're looking for, especially if you like this stuff on my page. For example, these are Balenciaga cargos right here. I have this, which it was real. Pretty much all these were real, but I try to go for things that look like this. If you want to get wallets like this, again, this is real, you could get it. This is my car right here. I'm going to try to get a lot of BMW parts on here. So yeah, guys, if you have anything else you're looking for, make sure to comment down below on the YouTube channel. I just started making my spreadsheet again, so I'm going to try to get a few thousand items up for you guys, so you could pretty much find anything. I'm only looking for designer things though. I'll have some calm things in there, maybe some vintage clothing. But I'm not going to be copying the other spreadsheets where they have only Jordans, whatever. This is not the place to be if that's what you're looking for. I would have a little bit of that in there, but I'm only going to try to provide you guys high quality. So if you want a more in-depth video on how to buy from Kakobuy, check out my channel. I have a full video explaining you step to step on how to buy. This video is more about how to navigate on spreadsheets, how to use them, how to find certain items. So next video is probably going to be how to buy on Yupo and how to find good quality items without actually buying them. You guys could also check out my shorts and join my Discord, because my Discord has thousands of people in it. It used to be super active. Now we're back. I'm going to try to add everything possible for you guys. So yeah, it's me, Paco. If you guys have any questions, comment below again. I'll see you guys in the next video.